Graduates of the College of Humanities and Social Sciences, graduating in Manawatū, May 2020 are Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Early Childhood Education, Christina Wainoa. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Primary, Bree Hitchman. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Primary, of Te Atiawa, ki Whakarongotai, Amanda Hulahan. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Primary, Sophie Howard. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Primary, of Te Atiawa, Tania McKay. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Primary, of Ngāti Pro ki Harataunga ki Mataora, Ngāpuhi, Jody Murray. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Primary, Ashley Phillips. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Primary, of Kaitahu, Muopoko, Angela Proctor Wolfe. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Primary, of Ngāti Raukawa, Ngāti Porou, Ebony Wehi Peihana. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Secondary, of Kaitahu, Kāti Māmoe, Larissa Flutie. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Secondary, of Ngāti Porou, Ngāti Kahungunu ki te Wairua, Ngāti Awa, Ngāti Tū Wharetoa ki Taupo, Joshua Hurai. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Secondary, of Ngāti Hine, Stephanie McKenzie. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Secondary, of Ngāti Porou, Priscilla Palato. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Secondary, of Kaitahu, Meg Patterson. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Secondary, of Te Atiawa, Christopher Te Punga McKay. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Secondary, no Taranaki, Ashley Tito Collins. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Secondary, of Te Atiawa, Libby White. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Secondary, of Te Atihaunui a Pāparangi, Samuel Wright. Postgraduate Diploma in Specialist Teaching, Learning and Behaviour, with Distinction, no Taranaki, Kim Manukonga. Master of Education in Educational Administration and Leadership, with Merit, of Ngāpuhi, Stephanie Andrews. Master of Education in Māori Education, with Merit, of Ngāti Tū Wharetoa ki Kawerau, Tū Haurangi, Te Rarawa, Tūhoe, Helen Parker. Master of Specialist Teaching, Learning and Behaviour, with Distinction, of Ngāti Kahungunu ki te Wairua, Catherine Smith. Bachelor of Arts in English, of Te Aupouri, Te Rarawa, Greta Andrews. Bachelor of Arts in Psychology, of Raukawa, Ngai Te Rangi, Ngāti Ranginui, Lance Apapa. Bachelor of Arts in Educational Psychology, of Ngāti Maniapoto, Jordan Crown. Bachelor of Arts in Psychology, of Ngāti Kahungunu ki Wairarapa, Janelle Hing. Bachelor of Arts in English, of Ngāti Porou, Te Aitanga Māhaki, Ngāti Tū Wharetoa ki Taupo, Te Kōtuku Irwin Stainton. Bachelor of Arts in Social Policy, of Waikato, Ngāti Kuri, Ngāpuhi, Anna Kirk. Bachelor of Arts in Psychology, of Ngāti Tū Wharetoa ki Taupo, Deborah Lord. Bachelor of Arts in Māori Studies, of Ngāti Kahungunu ki te Wairua, Michael McDermott. Bachelor of Arts in Education, of Ngāti Tū Wharetoa ki Taupo, Ngāti Ranginui, Trent McDonald. Bachelor of Arts in Māori Studies, of Ngāti Porou, Te Aitanga Māhaki, Whakatohea, Jared Telford. Bachelor of Resource and Environmental Planning, with second class honours, of Ngāpuhi, Kaitahu, Kāti Māmoe, Zachary Chisholm. Graduate Diploma in Arts in English of Ngāti Porou, John Pawson. Postgraduate Diploma in Arts Psychology with Merit of Ngāti Pūkenga, Lily Keats Whā. Master of Arts Māori Studies of Ngāti Toa Rangatira, Ngāti Koata, Te Rā Moriarty. Master of Arts Psychology with Distinction of Ngāti Porou, Api Taiapa. Master of Arts in Māori Studies of Ngāti Porou, Daniel Tāwhai.